Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove emergency call from lock screen. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead and open up your particular settings from your phone. And now simply go to the search bar and search in Emergency SOS. Once you get the Emergency SOS, you're going to go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, you can see you have call with hold and release. I have many of the toggles off. So what you're going to do if you do not want it, you just have to toggle off call with hold and release as well. So all of the, because when you are switching up your phone, you can see you have to hold these two buttons, right? And then the call with hold and release pops up for the emergency call. So once you have toggled that off, all of this, then the emergency call from your lock screen will be removed. Now this is for iOS. There is a different settings for these and the Android devices, but for the iOS, all you have to do is go to settings, search in Emergency SOS, and toggle off all of them, so you will not get the emergency call from lock screen popping up. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.